Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 37 keys electric piano with microphone digital electronic organ music electronic keyboard instrument. This is a fascinating little keyboard that packs quite a bit into a compact size, perfect for those just starting out or looking for something portable. Right off the bat, one of the things highlighted about this electronic keyboard piano is its warm tone. This is designed to help the player perform their music at its best, providing a pleasant sound quality that can really make practicing and playing enjoyable. It's presented as a great tool for music lovers who want to create their own tunes, offering a platform to explore musical ideas. Portability is a major selling point here. The electronic keyboard piano is described as lightweight and easy to carry. This makes it incredibly convenient for beginners or anyone who wants to be able to practice or play wherever they go. The ease of transport is intended to make learning and playing the piano more accessible and quicker for the user. When you get this set, it includes everything needed to get started. You receive the small electronic piano itself, a USB cable for power, a mini microphone, which is a really fun addition allowing for singing along while playing, and an audio cable. This complete package is aimed at helping to develop a user's interest in playing the piano by providing immediate tools for exploration. Looking at the functionality, this is a multifunctional USB electronic organ. It comes loaded with a variety of built-in sounds and rhythms to experiment with. Specifically, it features 8 different tones, 8 rhythms, 6 demo songs to listen to and learn from, and 4 percussion sounds. Beyond just sounds, it offers practical functions like volume control, tempo control to adjust the speed of rhythms or demos, and importantly, a song record and song play function. This allows users to record what they play and listen back, which is fantastic for practice and tracking progress. The keyboard itself features a full-sized layout with 37 keys. While 37 keys might seem limited compared to a full piano, it's ample for beginners to learn basic melodies, chords, and scales. The description mentions it allows the user to play a wide range of notes and melodies suitable for this level. The keys are delicate black and white keys, well designed for the user, providing a familiar feel for those learning piano basics. Overall, this Vanica 37-key electronic piano with a microphone seems like a well-rounded package for a beginner or a young music enthusiast. Its combination of portability, essential features like different sounds and rhythms, the fun addition of a microphone, and the record play function makes it a compelling option for someone looking to dip their toes into playing keyboard instruments without a large investment or needing a lot of space. It's clearly designed with ease of use and encouraging musical exploration in mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.